The Jiri Apunba Lup has strongly condemned a series of recent violence attacks by the Kuki militants. The organization has urged the district administration and police authority to take immediate and decisive steps to neutralize these militant groups. In a recent press release, the organization details the severity of the attacks, stating multiple assaults characterized by the heavy gunfires and bomb explosions have been carried out in succession, targeting several Meitei villages such as Ningtam Kunau, Mongbung and other located in the Borobekra subdivisions of Jiribam. These attacks have claimed the lives of innocent villagers and village volunteers. Furthermore, there have been reports of looting involving cash and gold, along with the arsons of the government's buildings and civilian homes. The statements further criticize the presence of the security forces in the area, questioning their effectiveness in preventing such incidents. If such atrocities continue despite the deployment of the security personnel, it raises serious concerns about the reluctance to take definitive actions against these militant elements, the organization noted. In light of the increasing unrest, the Jiri Apunba Lup has called on the district's administrative and police authority to act swiftly, stressing that the community can no longer remain passive amid these persistent acts of violence, it added.